Welcome. If you want to update firmware of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro, at the first you have to open charging case of your FreeBuds, then move to the AI Live application. Let's choose your FreeBuds, and then we have to move right here for the update. And as you can see, here we got the description of this update. Here we get the size and the version. We can download and install by tapping right here. It's updating, and there we get notification that during the update the earphones must be inside the open case. So right now we have to wait a little bit. I will put them back right here, and now we have to be patient and just wait. Okay, and as you can see, the update is successful. We have to close the case and then open it to use the earbuds. So let's close, then tap on this notification and open it one more time. And right now they are connected, so let's check the update, what we will get here right now. Let's click to check for the updates, and as you can see, they will get notification that our version is up to date. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!